Hey guys, today we're in my car, guys. We just got out of the tool thing. You know, we had some ice cream, man. Yeah, man, it was fire, bro. Even though it's cold, it was fire. It tasted like ice cream samba. Wait, guys. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, my dad, guys, he bought the HSS Step Grill, guys. It's titanium nitride. High-speed steel, item 44460. Drill Master, that's the brand. It says design allows user to drill 9 different sizes using 1 bit, guys. Size 1/4 to 3/4. 9 steps: 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4 hex strength. Titanium nitride cooler running automatically deboards hose as your drill. T-flute design gives you faster, smoother cutting. Hex strength will not spin inside the truck. That's my review today, guys. Thanks, guys. Bye.